Welcome Libra to your monthly horoscope reading. We're using Altera deck to get a central message for you for this month's reading. The focus here is change and what change has in store for you and what it means for you in particular. I'm testing out a couple of new filming equipment that I bought for my channel, so it's still trial and error to figure out where everything should go, but we'll get there soon. So change Libra, change and Libra. Okay, four cards. The first one is love, the lovers. Okay, so this is a potential change in your love life. So it can either be for good or for bad, but hopefully for you Libra, I hope that it comes out as a good change in your love and your relationships that you build with yourself, with your partner, with your family, with your friends. This could can be anything related to that sense, but the main focus now is okay, the change that you are hoping for in your love life has to do with bickering. There's a lot of bickering, small amounts of bickering that is involved for some reason in your love life, but there is a clarity that is happening and is going to happen for you in the near future. This change is going to be a good one and a long and lasting great effect to have in your situation. The Queen of Cups. Maybe, I don't want to say it's going to be with the same person, but I feel it's going to be, you are really going to open up your heart and you are going to express yourself in different ways and in a creative. You can use wise words. You're going to use your words wisely to describe exactly how you feel and what you want to change in your relationship and what you need to be changed in your relationship. The Queen of Cups, she is sitting there, she's exploring her emotions, she is exploring her feelings, she knows that her feelings and emotions are valid. So at the end of the day, just speak your mind, but choose your words wisely so that it doesn't come off as passive aggressive, especially passive aggressive in this case. Then the Three of Wands in the reverse. This has definitely to do with a current relationship, and this current relationship has to change. Otherwise, nothing good is going to come from this unchanged relationship. You need change. You need a better, stable relationship to function as a human being with emotions, with feelings, and with compassion. But now, let's do a little shadow work for you. Libra shadow work. Libra shadow work. Libra shadow work. The thing also with these amounts of cards that usually I draw like 9, 12 cards. There isn't a lot to say, but this makes the message much stronger to come through in this particular reading when it comes to love. The Ten of Swords in reverse. No longer are you wanting this bad bad habits, this bickering, this passive aggressiveness to follow you into a new and improved changed relationship. The Five of Cups in the reverse. This isn't the time to walk away from a situation. This isn't the time to gather your things and move out and move on. Now isn't a great time. The Three of Wands. Funny, these came out at the same time. the choice will be there for you to exit out of this relationship. If this relationship isn't going anywhere, then it's wise to exit. But if it feels like it is improving and it is going in the direction that you want it to go, then it's wise to stay. So you have an exit strategy and you have a stay strategy. So good for you, Libra. And as always, have a wonderful and a blessed day.